Hello Internet, I'm Matt Haas. This is Awesome Wood Things. I made this magical naughty or nice sign. Your child can check to see if they're on the nice list or the naughty list in real time. You hand them a check mark and it will automatically stick to only one of these choices. This one rejects because they're magnetized and the magnets are the wrong direction here. And then I have one that only works here. So you can sort of nudge them to be nice if they're on the naughty list. Stick around, I'll show you how I made it. I played a version of the song on my piano. You can watch it here or hear something YouTube thinks you might like. And I have a lot more awesomeness coming, so be sure and like, subscribe, and click that bell icon. Thanks, Internet.